channel. Today we will discuss about granting unlimited access with virtual data room. Granting unlimited access in virtual data room software is not a common practice due to security concern and need maintained control. VDRs are designed to provide secure and controlled access to the document. User permission VDR software allow administration assign specific permission to user based on role and responsibilities due to including controlling. This includes controlling access to folder documents and specific feature within VDR by granting application. This leaks occurred. Time limit access. VDR often offer the option to set time limits for user access to specific documents or the entire data room. This is particularly useful for projects involving external practice or temporary collaborators. Time limit access helps ensure that access to the sensitive information is restricted the necessary duration, reducing the risk of unauthorized access after the project or collaboration ends. Number 3. Watermark and document protection. VDR software may provide features like watermarks, dynamic documents watermarks, or restricted view printing option. This feature can help protect documents from unauthorized sharing or misuse. Watermarks can be used to identify source of leaked documents and deter unauthorized distribution. Audits log and activity tracking. VDRs typically maintain comprehensive audits log and activity tracking. This log capture user activities such as documents views, downloads, uploads, and comments. By monitoring these logs, administration can detect any authorized. Thank you so much for watching my videos.